Hello, and welcome to the English Learning Podcast. I am so happy you are here today. This is your place for English listening practice. If you want to understand real American English, you are in the right place. My name is your teacher, and I will help you speak confidently. Today, we have a very important topic. We are going to the pharmacy. A pharmacy is a store where you buy medicine. Sometimes you feel sick. You might have a headache or maybe a stomachache. You need to talk to a pharmacist. But speaking English when you are sick can be scary. Do not worry. Today, I will teach you easy English phrases for the pharmacy. We will speak slowly. This is slow English, so you can understand every word. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly what to say. You will feel ready to ask for help. Are you ready to learn daily English conversation? Let's begin. First, let's talk about the people and things in a pharmacy. The most important person is the pharmacist. The pharmacist is the expert on medicine. They wear a white coat usually. They can help you choose the right medicine. In the United States, we have two types of medicine. The first type is called over-the-counter. This is medicine you can buy without a doctor. You can just pick it up from the shelf. For example, medicine for a headache or a cold. The second type is called prescription. A prescription is a note from your doctor. You cannot buy this medicine without the note. The doctor must say it is okay. If you have a prescription, you give it to the pharmacist. Now, let's learn how to describe your problem. When you go to the pharmacist, they will ask, "How can I help you?" You need to say what hurts. This is called your symptoms. A symptom is a feeling of being sick. Here are some common symptoms. I have a headache. Repeat that in your head. I have a headache. This means your head hurts. Another one is, I have a sore throat. A sore throat means your throat hurts when you eat or drink. I have a cough. A cough is when air comes out of your mouth loudly. I have a fever. A fever means your body is too hot. When you tell the pharmacist your symptom, you can say, I have a cold. I have an allergy. An allergy is when you sneeze because of dust or flowers. The pharmacist might ask you questions. They might ask, how long have you had this? You can answer with time. For 2 days. Since yesterday. Since this morning. They might also ask, are you taking any other medicine? This is important. You must tell them if you take other pills. You can say, no, I am not, or yes, I take medicine for my heart. Next, let's talk about the medicine forms. Medicine comes in different shapes. A pill or tablet is small and hard. You swallow it with water. A capsule is also a pill, but usually plastic-looking. Syrup or liquid is medicine you drink. It is common for coughs. Cream or ointment is medicine you put on your skin. For example, if you have a bug bite or a rash. The pharmacist will tell you the dosage. Dosage means how much to take. Listen carefully to these words. Once a day. That means 1 time every day. Twice a day. That means 2 times every day. 3 times a day. They will also say with food or on an empty stomach.
With food means eat first, then take the pill. On an empty stomach means do not eat before the pill. Understanding these instructions is vital. It keeps you safe. This is why English listening practice is so important. You need to hear these details. Now, imagine you are at the counter. You approach the pharmacist. You can say, "Excuse me." This is a polite way to start. "Excuse me, can you help me? I need something for a cold." Or, "Do you have anything for a headache?" The pharmacist gives you a box. You should look at the box. Read the label. If you don't understand, ask. You can ask, "Does this make me sleepy?" Some medicine makes you tired. This is a side effect. A side effect is something the medicine does to you that you don't want, like feeling sleepy or dizzy. It is good to ask, are there side effects? This is a safe space to learn. Remember, the pharmacist wants to help you. They are used to helping people. Even if your English is not perfect, they will try to understand. You are doing a great job listening to this English podcast for beginners. Now, we are going to do some practice. This is the interactive part. I will say a phrase. I will say it slowly. Then I will be quiet. In the quiet time, I want you to repeat the phrase out loud. Speaking out loud helps your brain remember. Let's try. Excuse me. Excuse me. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. Do you have anything for a cold? Do you have anything for a cold? I need medicine for a fever. I need medicine for a fever. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. How much should I take? How much should I take? Take 1 pill. Take 1 pill. Take 2 tablets. Take 2 tablets. Once a day. Once a day. Twice a day. Twice a day. With food. With food. Before you sleep. Before you sleep. Does this have side effects? Does this have side effects? Will this make me sleepy? Will this make me sleepy? I have a prescription. I have a prescription. Here is my doctor's note. Here is my doctor's note. Where is the pharmacy? Where is the pharmacy? I would like to speak to the pharmacist. I would like to speak to the pharmacist. I have allergies. I have allergies. I'm allergic to penicillin. I'm allergic to penicillin. Is this safe for children? Is this safe for children? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Good job. Very good. Let's do a few more. Imagine you are buying cream for a rash.
I have a rash on my arm. I have a rash on my arm. It is very itchy. It is very itchy. Apply this cream twice a day. Apply this cream twice a day. Do not scratch it. Do not scratch it. How long should I use it? How long should I use it? Use it for 5 days. Use it for 5 days. Excellent! Repeating these phrases is the best way to learn real American English. You sound like a native English speaker when you practice. Do not be shy. Keep practicing.
Now, let's listen to a story. This story uses all the words we learned today. Relax and listen. Try to imagine the story in your mind. It was a Tuesday morning. The sun was shining, but Maria did not feel good. Maria woke up feeling very tired. Her head hurt. She had a bad headache. Her throat was sore, too. When she swallowed water, it hurt. Maria thought, "Oh no, I think I have a cold." She tried to drink tea, but she still felt sick. She decided to go to the pharmacy. The pharmacy was near her house. It was a small store with big glass windows. Maria walked inside. It smelled clean, like soap and mint. She walked to the back of the store. A man in a white coat was standing there. He was the pharmacist. He smiled at Maria. "Good morning," the pharmacist said. "How can I help you today?" Maria felt a little nervous. Her English was not perfect, but she remembered her lesson. She took a deep breath. "Good morning," Maria said. "I am not feeling well. I have a headache and a sore throat." The pharmacist nodded. He understood her perfectly. "I am sorry to hear that," he said. "Do you have a fever?" Maria touched her forehead. "I think so. I feel a little hot." "Okay," said the pharmacist. "And do you have a cough?" "No," Maria said. "No cough, just my head and throat." The pharmacist turned to the shelf behind him. He looked at the boxes of medicine. He picked up a blue box and a green bottle. He put them on the counter. "This is good for you," he said. He pointed to the blue box. "These are tablets for your headache and fever. They will stop the pain." Maria looked at the box. "How many do I take?" she asked. "Take 2 tablets," the pharmacist said slowly. "Take them every 4 hours, but do not take more than 6 in one day." Maria nodded. "Okay, 2 tablets every 4 hours." "Yes," said the pharmacist, "and take them with food. Eat a sandwich or some toast first." "Okay, with food," Maria repeated. Then she pointed to the green bottle. "What is that?" "This is a syrup for your throat," the pharmacist explained. "It will help the pain when you swallow. Take 1 spoon before you sleep." Maria had a question. "Will it make me sleepy?" "Yes," said the pharmacist. "This syrup can make you sleepy, so only take it at night." Maria was happy. She understood everything. "Thank you very much," she said. "You are welcome," said the pharmacist. "Drink lots of water and rest." Maria bought the medicine. She walked home feeling better. She knew she could ask for help in English. She felt proud of herself. This story shows you how simple it can be. Maria used basic words. "I have a headache." "How many do I take?" And the pharmacist helped her. You can do this too. Thank you for listening to the English Learning Podcast today. I hope you feel more confident about going to the pharmacy. Remember, learning English takes time. Be patient with yourself. For your homework today, I have a small task. Go to the comments section below. I want you to write 1 sentence. Tell me, what do you do when you have a cold? Do you drink tea? Do you sleep? Write it in the comments. I love reading your answers. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel. It helps us make more free lessons for you. Share this video with a friend who is learning English. Thank you for practicing your English listening practice with me. Keep listening,
Keep speaking and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.